since I last did a video. What's wrong? Anyways, we're now just... She looks a little bit sleepy, but fighting it. Hey? Are you sleepy, little miss? Okay, so how you're gonna do it is if you go through here, I need to hold this, I'll do it. Okay, ready? I'll show you how it's done. Wait. Oh, what the heck? You're trying to kick me. What's wrong? You made a big mess. Mess, yeah, big mess. You want, what's this? Banana. Can you say banana? Yeah, can you say banana? Let me put a bib on you. Banana, good job. You like bananas? No? Yeah, mommy will cut it up for you. Yeah, mommy will give you some bananas. Apples and bananas. Oh, do you want banana? You want banana? Here, baby. you say thank you? Thank you, Mommy. I like to eat apple and bananas. Do you want some bananas? You already finished your bananas? All finished? What about your cheese? Cheese is finished too? Yeah, you can have this. The sticker tape, meow. That's okay. Oh, what happened? It's all in there? There you go. I'll put it back in your plate. There. Yummy. Okay, that should be enough. Dominic. Wow, yay! Why are you so far away from the table? Look, I found a mandarin. All these orange bananas on the floor. I'm making decorations for Mia's birthday. I had this vision of how I want to do things. I actually drew it out. But I just couldn't find the perfect piece. I'm making a sun, and I was choosing between a foil balloon that's got like a face of the sun and then it's got like the rays. I felt like the actual balloon itself was just a little out of place with what I want to do. So I was just trying to figure out other ways of making a sun without having to spend so much money. So this is what I'm doing. Like, I mean, I could easily have just purchased a styrofoam donut like this, but I have other things that I wanted to do and I didn't want to just, if I can make it, I'll just make it. And as you guys can see, it didn't really take too much things to make this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wrap this with this, and I'm going to make pom-poms as the rays. Isn't that going to be cute? Is that gonna be cute, Mia? I think so. So it doesn't have to be perfect. I just want it to be fully covered, so then there's no foil showing. And then the last layer, the top layer, I'm going to make it as perfect as possible. Say hi.
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 I'm hungry.
What are you watching? Are you watching Minions? Did you finish the strawberries already? Oh my goodness me. Eh? I don't even know if I'm going to use all this yarn really. If I have more than what I need, I can maybe make you a headband. Mommy will crochet you a headband. Yeah. Can you say yellow? Oh, where's the birds? Where are the birds? Can you hear the birds? Or are they sleeping already? There. Where's there? Outside? Is it outside? Yeah, outside. Oh, what does the bird say? What do they say? What does the bird say? Good job. Good girl. What about close open? What about peekaboo? Peekaboo. What about a line? A line with mommy? A line? A line. Good job. Oh, how old is Mia? How old is Mia? 1. Good job. You know so much things. I'm so impressed. Mommy's so impressed. Yeah. You're gonna start talking soon?
What?
Why?
What?
What?
I want to put dinosaur.
Dinosaur?
Yummy.
Mmm.
Yummy. I think about what.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, my heavy boy. Here, you can play with your dog. Oh, that's a bit sour. Good job. You don't like tomatoes? Mommy loved that when I was pregnant. I think when I was pregnant with Booyah, I loved tomatoes. Or was it with you? No, it was with Nicola. how's your day? What did you do today? Did you go for a walk? Yeah, one more minute. And then mommy will attend to you and change your nappies. And what else do you want to do? It's turning out well. Okay, let's go, Mia. Oh, no. That's a massive pom-pom. No, it's not. I'm gonna make little pom-poms to add on that. That's the sun. It's supposed to be a sun. My pork belly is done.
So why is it cooked? You just throw it around the grill.
May buto. Kaya pala kayo pumasok. Paano mahuhutol?
Oh, just leave on there.
Ah.